fishing today. Got the tadpole or Celtic cattys. So just gonna have a mooch, see if we can bag anything. Then later I'll put a few spinners up and have a few shots and talk about it and see how I find it. So let's see how we do. Alright all, as you can see it's a different setting from yesterday. I'm back in the man cave. It's Monday. Yesterday I had to call to go and sort something out, so I had a couple of hours. I was cut short. I did plan to have a good few hours there, but anyway I got cut short, so I'm just doing a sort of wrapping it up here in the shed just to say what I think about it. I mean, I've had it a few days now. I put a good few shots for it, 2 or 3 band sets for it. It's a good little frame. I ain't going to keep waffling on, but yeah, it's a good little frame, solid frame, clips solid, no band slip at all. It's I like this type of frame, this, you know, metal design with the skeleton structure with the wrap, because you can change the wrap. This wrap's fine, but I mean, if you wanted a different colour wrap, put leather around it, electrical tape, whatever you want to put around it, it's up to you. So you can change that, which I always like, which I did on my Titan. I changed one of the wraps on it. I love the riv nuts, interchangeable, so if you do cross thread them, or you know, or stretch them out or whatever, they can pop out and replace them, which are only pennies I think. Which you shouldn't do. If you just do it pinch tight, you shouldn't need to change them for a long time. So God knows how long I've had the Titans for, and I've not put no new riv nuts in yet, that I know of anyway. So yeah, so if you just do those pinch tight, they'll last forever. But yeah, solid clip, nice frame, solid. It's, you know, it's not a heavy frame, but it's a well built solid frame. The issue with the paint chipping, I've already spoke to Anthony at Celtic Cattys about it, and I think he had some trouble with some primer, but he's aware of it, and I think that, you know, he will sort it. So it's just one of those things. But like I say, that's just cosmetic, and all that is just where it's been in the bag. I've been a bit probably rough with it because I'm testing it, and that's just where I've just, you know, unscrewed it and to put different bands on. So that's all it is. But yeah, a good little frame. I'm happy with it. I believe he's coming out with this is a 90mm outer, so he's going to be doing an 85, an 80, and for all you weird folk out there, he's doing a PFS as well. It's when I say that, I don't mean no disrespect. I just can't shoot one. I think they're the devil's work. So no, seriously. Yeah, so yeah, he's going to be bringing out a PFS 80, 85, and this is the 90. Yeah, so going to be a nice little collection going on there. 25mm tips, I believe is 10mm in thickness, and yeah, a cracking little frame. I think for the money, I think they're like 45 quid posted or something like that, or maybe 45 quid plus posted. You'll have to check his website out, but anyway, around that sort of money, I don't think they're going to be beat. I think they're a good little frame, and I like it. I like the wrap and tuck version. I'm not a wrap and tuck fan, but when he brought the clip one out, I thought, yes, I've got to have one of those, and here it is. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. I mean, I did plan to do a bit more with the video, but I apologise for that. It's just I was cut short, and I haven't got really much time other than being at home, and yeah, I'm getting a bit bored myself. Really, keep shooting in the shed. I mean, it was alright with lockdown, but if I can try and get out and change the scenery, yeah, I think it'd do us all good. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I've had some new subscribers, so thanks for joining and welcome. And if you obviously click like and share and subscribe, and if you, like I say, if you're new to this and you like the channel, please subscribe. And I'll try and bring you more reviews in the future. So I've got I think I've got a Silent Assassin's Echo coming, and other bits and bobs, and got a frame from Jerry Slingshots. He sponsors our team, so I'll be doing a little talk about that, and other bits coming on. So yeah, plenty lots going on in the next few months anyway. All right, all. So as usual, thanks for watching. Be safe, shoot straight, and I'll see you on the next one.